Hello everyone, again I'm come with some interesting online course. Today I'll tell you about the 7 best Django courses that are online, and all the courses links are given in the description box. Go and check out there after the completing this video. And you want more information about the online courses, then subscribe our channel CourseAvatar and click on the bell icon so that always we get updated whenever I upload a new video here. So let's get started. So our first course is a Python Django course. It's a practical guide course. It's provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about the topics like Django, Python, and you will learn how to use the Python for web development with Django. You will get a deeper understanding of Django, and you will learn the advanced features like class-based views or how you can upload the files can be on the server served, or you will learn to use a form of handling user inputs. This course is especially for the people who are interested in learning Python and JavaScript, or developers also can use learn this course is a so also they can also get in the depth knowledge about the Python. If you are interested in it, then go and check out the link given below. So our next course is about the Django Masterclass course is this, and with the real world practical projects. Here you will learn all the fundamentals of Python to the advanced Django concept in the real world projects, and topics you will learn like the Django, Linux, and Bootstrap. You will learn about the basic of the programming along with the Python programming, and you will learn to make the real life text based RPG in games, and you will learn about the Bootstrap and Django frameworks. This course is for the Django for beginners, for but also professional ones also go for this course. They wants to um, purify their and regain, revise their concepts. They can also go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. So our next course is a build a Django REST API with the Django REST frameworks. It's a complete tutorial course. Here you will learn the to create the Django REST API using the Django frameworks, and many concepts also are there. You will learn the topics like Django and Python, and you will learn to create the very first API view. You will learn about the URLs or serverless and reserves or custom permissions, and many more things. You will learn to your search engine and algol. And this course is for the people who wish to create the REST API using Django or other related concepts, and want to clear their concepts. Can also learn. It's a complete free course, and it's on the Code Entrepreneurs channel on the YouTube channel. Go and check out the link given. So our fourth course is Django 4 and Python Full Stack Developer Masterclass is provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn to create the interactive or engaging websites using Django and Python. Here you will learn topics like HTML, Bootstrap, CSS, Django, Python, and you will learn to use Bootstrap to create the responsive layouts. You will learn to use built-in authentications of Django and administration system. You will learn to create the websites using advanced class-based views, and this course is for the noises web development who wish to learn Django and Python to create the websites, or to create the websites for their portfolio or for their career, or for their want to become a developer in it. Then they definitely go for this course. Is a totally free course on the Udemy. Go and check out. So our next course is a Python Django web framework full course for the beginners. It's on the YouTube channel freeCodeCamp, and here you will all about the Django and all its related concepts. And this course explain all the topics related in detail. Will definitely help you, and you will learn to create the product objects within the Python shell, or you will learn about the URL requests and routing, and you will also learn about the dynamic linking of URLs. And this course is specially designed for the beginners who are just beginning the Django and Python Django. Then they definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. So our next course is a Python build Python Django real project course. Is a Django web development course also, and here this course is provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn to create the real Django projects using the PostgreSQL and deploy on the hero queue. Here you will learn topics like the Django and PostgreSQL. You will also understand about the PostgreSQL database, how to launch it into the production servers, and you will learn to make the Django applications, and you will learn the concepts like user authentications, authentications, Git, and many more things. And this course is for the people who wants to learn to create Django applications from scratch, and this is also seasonal programming looking who wants to learn the complete Django course in one course, then definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given is below. So our next course, last course is Python Django e-commerce course. Is an advanced Django web applications course, and this course is also provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about to create the Python Django e-commerce sites using the RDS. Postgre and advanced functionalities. Also, here you will learn all the topics like Django and Python, and you will learn the to add variations to the cart, and you will learn to make the e-commerce applications using Django and Python. You will learn to create the websites using the payment gateway integrations, and you will learn to set up the carts or get functionality also. This course is for the beginners who wish to include the life project in their resume, and also want to become upcoming developers who wants to project based works could jo to teach the web development. Then definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given below in a description. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.